Hello, this is Daryl for Tuesday, the 20th of September 2016. This is the DE Market Summary. So today, the markets are up. Very good day today for trading. So what's our catalyst today? Well, today the catalyst is a Fed rate hike. So today, the markets are rallying ahead of the Fed meeting tomorrow, Wednesday. And the markets are up as the investors are expecting that tomorrow the Fed will decide not to raise rates because all hints and information from the Fed members have been showing that they are not interested, they do not have the appetite for raising rates tomorrow. So the markets are positive because of that. And as I said yesterday, I kind of called the markets yesterday. I said that it will continue to rally because there's nothing negative in the markets to stop it from rallying. And so it did continue rallying today. So all investors who watched the program yesterday could thank me today for having for gaining on the markets, right? And we really believe that it could continue straight into tomorrow because really the markets is moving right now based on the fact that there would be no rate hikes tomorrow. So, but very important information investors would be looking at. Big analysts, money managers like us are looking at the hints that the Fed would give in their announcement, in their speeches, as to when they will raise rates. Because as I said yesterday, no one is expecting a rate raise tomorrow, but also no one is really expecting a rate hike in November. Just because it's voting time in the U.S. and so the Fed usually don't raise rates at that point. It's not the best time to do it. So no one is expecting that, but they are trying to get a hint or a sense as to whether they're really looking at December as a possible time of raising rates. So that is what investors are all going to be looking at the Fed speech to try to garner from it. And based on that, the markets will move. So, for example, if investors are seeing in the information from the Fed something that's a little bit undecided, a confusing speech that could affect the markets in an adverse way. But if they could get a clear reading of the rate hike in December, when the markets already is prepared for it in December, and there's good talk about the markets. For example, they're saying yes, employment is raising. The employment rate is at a good steady pace. If they could talk positively too about inflation, and if they could talk positively about the general economy of the United States, not talk about have any recessionary sentiment, that could also help the markets. But if the Fed have some more cautionary speech, and just vocabulary that is very cautionary, and then they are talking about being dovish about rate hikes, that could then create negativity in the market and could have the market trading down as well, right? So these are the things to look forward to. That's what we as money managers, that is what we look at, and we know how the market will move based on that speech. But all in all, today was a very good day. We had oil was up as well too. And remember, oil is up because of Yesterday we spoke about Mr. Maduro, the Venezuelan president, announcing a meeting, with OPEC meeting, and to discuss the freezing or at least the decreasing of production of oil. And that sent oil prices up, and it continued straight into today. Today it was up 0.55 points to $43.85, 85 cents, yeah, a barrel. So a good day for oil. Also, gold was also up. Gold was up 0.30 points to 18.10 cents an ounce. So for those out there who don't know, we have said this, we're going to say it again, that we believe we are entering a commodities rally, and we believe gold will be at the forefront of that. And this is confirming it today. Both yesterday and today, we have been seeing gold has been steadily going up. We believe that's going to continue straight into 2017, okay, next year. So have a look at that, and thank us later, investors. Okay, so today, what did we have in the markets? Well, you had the Dow Jones up 54.44 points to 174.61. The S&P 500 up 6.09 points to 2145.21, which really shows the volume of trading too. We have had good volume. Nasdaq up 17.08 points to 5232.11. So this is before the close. This is about an hour before the close of trading today. The markets are up. We are expecting the markets to continue positive straight to the close today, as there's no headwinds blocking the positive sentiment and the nice rally that we've been having, right? So we expect that rally to continue straight to the close and go straight into tomorrow with the Fed speech. And as I said before earlier, all these different things that could move the markets tomorrow. So let's just see the Fed speech, and based on that, we could have a rally either to the upside or the downside tomorrow. But stay with us. My name is Darrell Emmanuel. This has been the DE Market Summary. Okay, you have a good day.